G.Vishnu. I am from Sangareddy. I recently completed my Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering from the MNR College of Engineering and Technology. And I joined here Jspiders in November 18, 2024 as an incubation student. And my Java trainer is Manjuna sir and Ravi sir. And my web technology trainer is Geeta ma'am. And SQL trainer is Revan sir. The way of teaching every faculty here is unique, so students can easily understand what they saying, and whenever we have doubt they explain very well. And here they conducted many mock tests as well as communicate regarding communication also. They took more care about students. Those helped me to get this job. Thank you.